Let's look at fonts, colours and effects you can use in just a few clicks. Let's start by adding text to this image. Add text by going over to here and adding heading or body, or you can press the letter T. Pick a font that matches your brand and adjust the size to fit your design. You do that along the top toolbar here. Now you can change the colour using either a colour from the graphic itself or one of your saved brand colours. You do that by clicking on this button here. Now often the text that you choose and the colour may not pop exactly on the image. So you can use text effects to make the text stand out. Highlight the text and then click on effects on the top toolbar here. Now we can go through all the various options to see how it changes the text. Let's start with shadow. You have a few options to amend and adjust here. Let's look at lift. You can increase the intensity or lower the intensity here. The hollow text effect is great if you want to put an image between two types of text. Splice is similar to hollow with a little bit of an outline. Again, there are various options that you can adjust. Outline, you can adjust the colour and the thickness so it stands out quite nicely. Echo is another text effect that makes your text stand out with a slight shadow effect. Glitch is great if you have a bit more of a techno vibe image. And the same applies with the neon effect too. Background can really help make text pop by adjusting the spread, the roundness and the transparency. You can adjust letter spacing and line height by clicking on this button here. And there you have it. That's simple text tweaks that make your Canva designs look professional. Follow along for part 4 where we'll animate your text. Thanks for watching.